Hello, welcome everyone to the online class organized by Software English Boarding School. It's me Kishan Shah, and today I am going to teach you a social studies subject of class 8, lesson 1, lesson 5, unit 1. And my topic name is energy. Today we should discuss about the different types of energy. It means what are energy? And including in the topic of energy, we should discuss about the electricity. Electricity is a type of energy which enlightens the world, which brings light to the dark, which brings dark into the lightness. Electricity. All the family, all the countries, cities, village or entire world need what? Electricity. And electricity is a part of energy. Electricity produces what? Energy. Which energy? A current which lights the world, which gives us light. And now we should discuss about from where we get electricity. What are the sources? Example, water. We get water from rain, river, pond, stream, hand pump, tap, well, etc. As said, it is electricity also. From where we get electricity? What are the sources? What are the methods, formulas which gives us electricity? See here. First one is solar panel. Next one is hydropower dam. Next one is windmill. Solar panel, which provide electricity with the help of sunlight. There is a radiation panel which get the sunlight energy and change it into electricity. Next one is hydropower dam. Hydropower dam is a type of project or a system which utilize the water from the higher stream and change the water into a electricity. Next one is windmill. This is also, its work is also to create or produce electricity with the help of wind by the wings. Today we shall discuss about the hydropower dams. We know that Nepal is a country of the second richest in water resources, and it has a capacity of producing the 83,000 megawatt electricity, but according to the economically and technically, it has a capacity to produce 43,000 megawatt of electricity, but because of the unstability political condition, lack of technical, lack of government, unstable government, lack of awareness in people, our country is able to produce only 1,000 megawatt of electricity. Why? Because our education is not vast. We have not a different types of technical tools which can produce a higher quality of higher number of electricity. Nepal has a capacity to distribute electricity entire in the half 50% part of the world, but we are unable to produce. Why? Because of our technical problems, unstable of government, unstable of political parties. Now we shall discuss about the hydropower dam, from where it has been started. At the first time in the history of Nepal, the first hydropower project was established or constructed at the time of Chandra Shamsher in 1968 BS, and the hydropower project has a capacity of producing 500 kilowatt electricity only, which is the starting age of electricity in the history of Nepal. And now in the second time also the hydropower project was established in Nepal. First hydropower station, which was established in 1968 at the time of Chandra Shamsher, and the capacity is 500 kilowatt, which the power station was situated in the heart of south of Kathmandu district. And second hydropower station was established by Chandra Shamsher in 1991 BS at Sundari Jal, which is located in the north of the Kathmandu, and its capacity is 640 kilowatt. Now I will show you about the list of different types of electricity used by different types of energy used by the families members of our country Nepal. These are the sources of energy which is used in Nepal, and these are the numbers of family who are using these sources. At first, electricity is the most famous source of electricity of energy. It means 36,47,746 family of Nepal who are using electricity. Next is kerosene lamp. It means 29,15,000 15,110 families are using kerosene lamp. Why the number of kerosene lamp is higher than electricity? Because electricity is not available in all the part of our country Nepal because of its diverse land topography. Some is in the Tarai region, almost in all the part of Tarai region electricity is available, but in the hilly region and the mountain region government is unable to provide electricity to all the part of the hilly and mountain region. Next one is biogas light, which is produced at home by the farmers. Number of biogas user is 15,264. And next one is other different types of materials. It means mixing of gases, different types of lamps is 13,170. And this is a number of family. It means 35,103. These are the number of family who are using different types of sources of energy, but it is not clear what they are using. They are undefined. The statistical government don't know that what they are using. So that these are the numbers of family who are using but not defined, mentioned. It means totally 1,49,43,393 are the number of families of Nepal who are using sources of energy. In the mention of these are the number of families who use different types of sources. Now this much for this chapter energy, and now I am going to stop my topic. This much for today. Thank you.